Okay, we're going to see if we can cut this cake into thirds using a string. So I have a spool of thread. I'm going to snip off a very long piece and wrap it around the cake, about a third of the way down if we can. And we're going to wrap it all the way around the cake as evenly as possible. Cross the strings and pull gently. The cake is losing weight. Until the string begins to slide through. And you will feel it snip when it's all the way through. And we have the cake layer on the top. And then we'll do the second time. And the same thing, just lower down. All the way around, across the string. And the string just broke. I don't think this one's going to work. Okay, I'll cross it over on this side. Nope, not going to work. Okay, you can turn it off.